The Razer Phone 2 will be announced later tonight in a speech by Razer CEO Min Liang-tan. Previous leaks have shown that it will share a design very similar to the company's original smartphone. Amazon has prematurely revealed more details, with a list now extracted from Amazon Italy that contains some key specifications before the revelation tonight. On the one hand, the Razer Phone 2's back logo will now be illuminated and can be customized in RGB. What a wonderfully nerdy and very Razer thing to do. Second, Razer adds wireless charging to the device. To allow that, it seems that Razer, like everyone else, is moving from a rear aluminum design to a shiny glass. And finally, the Razer Phone 2 will apparently be resistant to water and IP67 dust. The device will maintain its 5.7-inch, 1440p screen that can offer refresh rates up to 120 Hz for smoother scrolling and play. That fluidity of 120 Hz is a point of sale that only Razer has delivered on a smartphone. Apple has not yet brought the promotion screen technology from the iPad to the iPhone. As for other specifications, the phone will probably be upgraded to Snapdragon 845, with storage options of 64GB and 8GB RAM that remain the same as in the original.